दोस्तों नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब, जय माँ भारती। दोस्तों, I am Chandrakant Gupta from salarytrade.com, taking the opportunity to present next stock of Chupa Rustam series. This is again from the textile sector, and this is the second stock. First stock I have already discussed, which you can find in the video section of this channel. दोस्तों, इस बार जो कंपनी मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करना चाहता हूं उसका नाम है TCNS क्लॉथिंग्स लिमिटेड। आप लोगों ने इसका नाम कम ही सुना होगा। मैं इसके डिटेल्स के बारे में आपको बताता हूं। ये एक 2589 करोड़ की मिड कैप कंपनी है, और अगर हम इसके प्रमोटर होल्डिंग को देखें तो ये 32.3% है, एंड कंपनी पर थोड़ा कर्जा भी है। अगर हम रिटर्न ऑन कैपिटल देखें तो विच इज 12.6%, which is reasonably okay as far as this sector, textile sector, is concerned. Well, many of you must be thinking that promoter holding is low and there is a debt on the company. How can this be a very good stock? And here, friends, I would like to tell you that these are just initial data. In finding the good gem stocks, you need to see all the details of the company, which I will explain you over here ki why this promoter holding is actually not bad. Actually, it's wonderful, it's very good. And debt which is there on the company, whether the debt has been taken for the good, for the growth of the company, and that is the important. And if the debt is taken and not being utilized for the growth of the company, then debt is not good. So all these details we will see in our coming slides. Friends, if we see the shareholding patterns, this is one of the most wonderful shareholding pattern which I could find in any good company. You can see the promoter shareholding is around 32%, which is intact. The best thing which I could find over here, that FIIs and DIIs, they have taken almost 24% stakes. So with the FIIs and DIIs controlling around 24% of the stake of this company, and if we go to the public, where 43.62% stake is with the company, but if we go and see in the details that 39% is with the strong hands like Wagner Limited, Anand Kumar Daga, and many individuals, they are having the 39 to 40% stake. So if we see that with the promoter is 32%, 24% is with the FIIs and DIIs, and around 40% is with the individual strong hands. So finally, if we see that only 4.62% free float stocks are there. And friends, in this 4.62%, there will be many stocks with further strong hands which we cannot see over here, because here only that strong hands are being shown which are having big holding. There will be some big stakes of the individuals over here which comes in this 4.62%. So free float stocks are very less. So this is one of the most reliable and wonderful shareholding pattern. All the controlling stakes are with the company with the strong hands, and very less free float stocks are there, which makes this company eligible for growth in the terms of value. Next, friends, if you see the balance sheet of this company, the reserves of this company, which I always see that if you have reserves, then any problem comes, pandemic or anything, you can sustain. So reserve you can see from 7 March 10, 7 crores. In March 20, in last 10 years, it has whooping 648 crores, and these are continuously increasing. If we see borrowing, friends, the borrowing is Company used to have keep some borrowing because in the manufacturing sector, for developing setups and for the growth of the company, you need to have borrowings. If you see initially, their reserves were less, but borrowings were high. Borrowings in comparison to reserves were more. But in due course of time, wonderfully this company has increased their reserves and borrowings have been reduced even to zero. Till March 19, they had no borrowings. Zero, it was completely debt free. And the reserves were around 600 crores. Now, recently in the year 2020, they have taken a loan of 362 crores, which is around half 50% of their total reserves. So they can afford to have this loan for the growth of the company. And if we see back the history, then we find that whenever the company has taken the borrowings, the loans, the company has utilized these loans for the growth of the company wonderfully. Wonderfully. And when this company was taking 30 to 40 crore loans, they have improved in their sales and in their reserves like anything. So now, when it was a zero debt company, now they have taken this good loan, which really they can afford as they have got the reserves. Then with this loan, they have immense potential to grow. So having a loan is not bad always if that loan is being utilized for the proper growth of the company. And the history of this company says that with the loan, they further grow. So the loan is good for this company, will be utilized for the growth. Further, if we see the profit loss of this company, the sales you can see, friends, the wonderful journey of the sale in March 2010, where the company was mere have sales of 71 crores to increased 1150 crores in March 2020. 70 to 1150 crores, and you can see the consistency, friends. It is increasing year by year, year by year, year by year. And as in my earlier slide I have shown that the company has taken the loan. You see, very good thing is that in the impact of the loan has come in their books in the form of depreciation. Means this company has utilized the money for the infrastructural setup and development, and because of that there is impact in the depreciation. So very well this loan has come, the impact of loan has come in the books, and because of this only there is a drop in the profit. So you can see that though the sales has increased, but because of the depreciation impact there is a drop in the profit. And when, friends, the impact of this loan facility which they have developed, when this impact of uh, this new development will come in their sales will keep on increasing, and this depreciation will keep on decreasing, and company will start a new journey of profit and growth. So this is, friends, you can see how the promoter holding and the debt which looks negative is actually positive for the company if we see the details. So this is must to see the details to find the wonderful growing stocks. Well, friends, let's know some more about the company. This company is around 4 decades old, 40 years experience they are having in providing customized apparel products. They have designing, sourcing, manufacturing, and logistics all in all 360-degree sourcing solutions, means From designing to supply to the customer directly, they have all the facilities under one roof, which makes them a very cohesive and uh, what we call a total controlling business impact they are having. They specialize in children wear, kids, girls, teens, and women's category, and they make several dresses like skirt, tops, t-shirts, etc. If we see friends, their brands, their clients, I'm sure you all have seen so many of these brands in the market, but this is the company which actually makes these cloths, these brands. So all these brands are into the clients of this company. Friends, the most wonderful thing which I came across about this company is that this company has pan India presence. Almost in the whole country and nearby, they have around 3,653 stores, a big distribution network, and they have their stores with the name of the brand. This 11 you might have seen, W, Aurelia, Wishful. So these are the stores I have also seen in the malls and all. You peoples might have also seen. So they have a very wide distribution network with a very reliable and wonderful brand, as I have shown. If we see the chart analysis and what are the levels and targets this company can achieve, then if we see the chart, friends, in my last video, I have shown this type of chart, and there were several questions that when these targets will get achieved and how much time it will take. So friends, please see that this chart is a weekly chart, means one candle shows a week. And friends, whenever we see the weekly charts, these charts are being seen for mid-term to long-term investment prospects. Not very long-term, but if we see the time horizon, then it is around 3 months to 12 months, around a year. This time these companies takes with such type of analysis to achieve the targets. So if we see the the details of this chart, that while pandemic situation, this company has made a very good base, and after that making the base, it has started its up move. In this up move, if you can see that recently the company had achieved a level of 555 rupees. Currently it is trading around 425 rupees. From here, if we see, the first target which can be taken is at 34%, which is at 555. The second target from here will be 750 rupees, of which is around 77%, and further target of 843 rupees can be taken, which is 98%. So these are the levels and these are the targets can be taken for this company. The company presence as a distribution network is wonderful. It is all India. They have really wonderful brands. They are very good in their balance sheet, I mean sales and the profits, and the debt which they have taken has been deployed for the further growth of the company. So all in all, if we summarize, then this company is very good, ready for the growth. The moment these pandemic situations, the impact as vaccines and all have come, the people will start moving and their sales will bound to grow, and they are already ready with all of their preparations. So friend, this is the company which I would like to to actually explain you that while while watching its fundamentals and its details, this is the way how we can find good stocks which have a great growth potential in coming times very soon. Friends, this is the WhatsApp group of the salarytrade.com, where we keep on updating you about the stocks which are having potential growth to grow time to time, and also we explain when to enter, when to exit. This we do for the training and education purpose. Any one of you who would like to join can join after sending his request on this WhatsApp number. So thanks friends. This is all from my side, and I request to join and subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for being with me. Please enjoy your time and keep on searching such good stocks which can give you multiple returns in 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 a short to medium term time. Thanks to you all. Bye. Enjoy.